World star footage. World star footage.
Play some music.
Hello? Huh? Nah, who is?
That nigga bugging right now.
I'm fucked up. No. Shit.
Huh?
Reals.
How I ever would have. Wait, what you mean by that?
Hurry up. Hurry up.
Some girl? Oh yeah, my bad. Oh, I'm logging out. Yeah, man, some girl just. Oh wow.
Come on, niggas.
I'm recording some lady in the chicken spot. She is hot.
Watch that bitch.
In my fucking time right now?
Watch that bitch.
Yeah, no, I was with some girl in the party and like she was acting crazy. Wait, whoa, oh, you took a piece of my fries? Oh, chill. Oh. Yo, she just ate my food. She just ate my food. Oh my God.
I'm going.
Yo, she just ate my food. World star. World star. If this don't make world star, I'm gonna be tight. This is world star. World star. Yo, the lady just picked up my piece of chicken sandwich and just threw my shit.
She took it out the bread and ate. Look, she's still going.
That's my food, y'all, by the way, world star. That's my food. She took my food, threw the bread away, took all my fries. She got a bra on the outside. That's the new wave, wearing a bra on the outside.
Crack is whack.
Crack is whack.
Crack is whack.
Crack is whack. I'm on Prospect right now.
Soda. Coca-Cola.
Where you at? You home?
Coca-Cola.
Prospect.
Coca-Cola, please.
So I paid for that?
Coca-Cola.
I paid for that though.
Coca-Cola.
More than wings.
Fucking asshole.
Who, me?
Huh?
You asshole.
Me?
Early.
Oh, she just grabbed my
Can I
dick.
get one of that?
Fuck out of here.
Oh, fuck out of here.
Oh, violating them.
You roll that shit over there, baby.
Hike. Like this.
That motherfucking crazy.
Yo,
Niggas on deck. Ratchet.
Ratchet early.
World Star. Get Aqua World Star. Look at this baby. Get Aqua World Star. This is going to World Star.
Scared.
This is going to World Star.
You on camera, you might as well take your clothes off.
Panties on the outside.
You're not about,
Panty on her head.
oh. You dancing?
Hey.
World Star.
I need a girl.
You want to be World Star?
Hey, World Star.
Hey.
World Star.
Hey.
Hey, that's really close to 1,000.
World Star.
1,000 trillion is 1,000.
Got you feeling real ill.
Them quills got your head on pills.
Crack is whack.
Crack is whack.
Crack is whack.
Crack is motherfucking whack.
So what you smoking then?
Crack is whack. Dust.
Oh,
Dust.
dust.
Dust? Yeah, that dust be having.
Yeah, that should have you getting naked in here.
Grabbing dicks and all that.
He said crack is whack.
I seen you grab a dick outside. Why you did that? Why you grabbing dicks?
Shut up, asshole.
Oh,
I'm an asshole, but you grabbing dicks. Why you doing that?
You suck a dick early.
You suck a dick. Look at you. You just got cum on your butt. Look at you, huh? World Star. This is great. Only in the Bronx. Only in the Bronx.
Yo, this better make World Star. Only in the Bronx.
This gotta go over.
Oh, bend over, girl. Show me what you're working with. Hey!
Hey! Follow the shake for the 1 time. Swag kids, do the 5,000.
Hey,
You want pizza?
crackhead, do the 5,000.
You smoke crack. You
Crackhead,
on
do the
dust.
5,000.
Stupid.
Hey!
She can't take off her clothes. She's scared.
Take it all off. Take it all off. Show me what you're working with. No ass at all. No ass at all. No ass at all. Got spit on
World Star.
Spit on ass. World Star.
Spit on up.
Hey!
Spit on up.
Spit on up.
You want me to spit on you?
No.
Oh, I was about to spit on your ass.
Ratchet. Early.
She pulled up the ratty. Make sure you get out to
You gotta show your titties and all that. This is world star.
Show your titties aside, you nasty bitch.
Right there, hey!
You gonna be famous.
You gonna be famous. You gonna make world star 3 times.
Midget.
This is a chicken spot where they serving this type of food. These motherfuckers, fuck you. They know what's going on in here, and they serving food. These motherfuckers. This stupid bitch, man, huh? You handle it from here. I'm done.